Hey, Brian here again. I wanted to show you today, once you get logged into your account, how do you use a store credit? That's another big question that we've been getting is, I have a store credit, how do I use it? So the first thing you want to do to use a store credit, and actually the first thing you want to do whenever you come to our site, is go ahead and get logged in. So no matter what screen you're on, you're going to go at the top, you'll see a bar that says My Account. You want to hit Sign In. So we're going to sign in. Once you're signed in, if you do have a store credit, it'll show up here. And if you mouse over it at the very top, you'll see the amount of store credit you have. And it tells you to use it. You just place your order, and you'll be able to use store credit as the payment method when it comes time to pay for your order. So let's go ahead and place an order. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to do a reorder. I'm going to reorder the hair strength supplement. I'm going to click reorder. But you would just shop as you normally would if you don't want to do a reorder, but it doesn't matter. Once you get it into your shopping cart, I'm looking at my cart here, I'm going to hit checkout. So once we get to the checkout page, that is where you're going to learn how to use your store credit. So I'm already signed in. You can see my shipping information is already filled in. My email address is already filled in. I need to choose my shipping method. Once I choose my shipping method, I hit continue, and it takes me to the payment area. When I'm in the payment area, you will see this is already, because I have a $10 store credit, that credit is automatically applied to my order by this blue box being checked, which is checked once you get here. When you go over to the other side, you'll see the store credit has already been taken off. There's nothing else you need to do to use a store credit other than to make sure that you're logged in, and once you get to the payment method, it'll be taken off. What you don't want to do is uncheck this box, because then you will not use a store credit. You'll still have it, but it won't use it. So since we do have a balance left, we'll have to put in our credit card information to pay off the balance of $9.73 on this particular order. But that is the way you use a store credit. Should be pretty straightforward once you understand the process. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email to sales@treasuretlocks.com, and we'll be happy to take care of you there. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.